Good afternoon, and today we're going to talk about that iconic symbol behind us, the Tyne Bridge. So, let's begin. Tyne Bridge is one of the most iconic landmarks in the northeast of England, linking the cities of Newcastle and Gateshead across the River Tyne. Its history reflects both engineering ambition and the region's industrial heritage. Before the current bridge, crosses over the Tyne included ferries and earlier bridges like a medieval old Tyne Bridge, but by the 20th century increasing traffic made a larger structure necessary. So in 1925 the construction began, led by engineering firm Dorman Long. That's the same company that had started the Sydney Harbour Bridge, and Newcastle Tyne Bridge was finished 4 years before the Sydney Harbour Bridge, although the Sydney Harbour Bridge is a lot bigger. The bridge was officially opened on the 10th of October 1928 by King George V. At the time it was one of the largest single-span steel arch bridges in the world, showcasing the industrial strength of Tyneside. It is a steel arch bridge which spans of about 162 metres. The total length is 389 metres. The design allows ships to pass underneath, which was crucial for the busy river traffic of the Tyne. Its distinctive green colour, which we'll come to later on, has become symbolic of the region. Over the decades the bridge has required maintenance and restoration due to heavy use and exposed to the weather, as well as the kittiwake population that has lived on especially the towers for years. Large-scale refurbishment programs have been undertaken, and as you can see are being undertaken at the present time to get ready for its centenary year in 2028. You can see that if you think of in the 1920s, to construct something of this magnitude was amazing. They cantilevered it outwards, the two halves, until they met in the middle. It was incredibly precise considering the technology they had available at the time. The paint was painted green to represent the industrial might of the Tyne at the time. It's been painted that colour ever since. It was a dampney superlative middle green, which was chosen to honour the Northeast's engineering heritage. It is now officially painted in hollybrush green, which is as close to the heritage as it can get for the restoration. The only time it had changed was between 1961 and 1985, which was painted Persian blue with grey and red detailing. The paint itself is supposed to last and make the steelwork protected for 30 years, and it takes over 6,000 litres to cover the whole structure. And to think that the bridge is built without any wells, it's all riveted steel plating, and it has internal walkways and rooms inside the arches and the tower. They are mainly used for maintenance access, but can even hold storage. And at the moment it's been ongoing for a few years. It's got a year or so it's still to go to get ready for its centenary, and it's to repair the structural steel, fully repaint it, and upgrading the lighting and safety features. And it's probably one of the biggest overhauls it's had since it was made. As you can see, and of course the rust bits, it's well into 2 or 3 years it's been getting renovated. The building work was carried out by Dorman Long, who were based in Middlesbrough, and at the time that it started on the Sydney Harbour Bridge, but that took 4 years longer to complete. They had to use 7,000 tonnes of steel, and the road bridge is suspended from the arch by vertical hangers. And it's probably one of the most iconic things about the northeast. It's on pretty much anything to do with Newcastle. You'll see the Tyne Bridge somewhere. Most of the brickwork on this end, the stonework, came from Newcastle's old prison of Carlisle Square. Well, if you enjoyed that video, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, hit that notification bell for future videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.